First, give yourself time to celebrate the granting of the order. You should feel very proud that you took this step. When you get a protective order, the perpetrator is required by law to leave you alone. There are many possible protections available to you, including requiring that the perpetrator stay at least 100 feet away from your house or work, prohibiting the perpetrator from contacting you themselves or through a third party, and not allowing the perpetrator to have custody of your shared children. The protective order will only be granted for a specific amount of time. Usually, the longest amount of time a protective order will be granted is 18 months. In some cases, the portion of the protective order that prohibits abuse, harassing, or interfering with you can be issued indefinitely, meaning that it will not expire. This will happen if you ask the court to grant an indefinite protective order, or if the court decides that it is necessary. When the protective order is granted, a judge will fax or email the Uniform Abuse Prevention Order to the Louisiana Supreme Court Judicial Administrator's Office. There, the order can be added to the Louisiana Protective Order Registry.
10-4.
The Louisiana Protective Order Registry, or LPOR, is a statewide database of protective orders, temporary restraining orders, and other injunctions related to domestic violence. It is made available to law enforcement agencies, family and children protective agencies, elderly protective services, the courts, and the Department of Health. If the perpetrator violates the protective order in any way, you can call the police and let them know that someone has violated their protective order. The police will be able to find the order in the registry and arrest the perpetrator for violating it. You also have the option of bringing the perpetrator to court for violating the protective order. The perpetrator will be found in contempt of court for violating it and will be arrested for contempt.